Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon pepper herb garlic butter. First, you're going to start with 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter. Then you're going to add half a tablespoon of lemon pepper, 1 tablespoon or 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a 1/3 teaspoon of pepper, some fresh basil. You're going to really rip that apart and get that in there, and some fresh thyme. You could also use dried thyme. I had fresh ingredients on hand, so that's why I used some of these fresh ingredients, but feel free to use some of those dry ingredients if that's what you have in stock. Then you're going to squeeze half a lemon and get that lemon juice. Then you'll work on mixing all the ingredients together. As you can see here, I am mashing it against a glass bowl because my butter wasn't as soft. So the softer the butter, the easier it will be to mix. You can put this butter on anything from steak to chicken. I use this for maintaining the moisture in my Thanksgiving turkey. I hope you enjoyed this tasty butter recipe. Please press like and subscribe and let me know down in the comments below if you try this out. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.